Begin by disabling your crystal ball or XR50 using the OmniSight Intelligent key. The green LED in the Access key reader will be illuminated when the device is disabled. Wait until the device has finished transmitting and the Ready to Transmit light is solid red before proceeding to power the device off. Start by unplugging the battery, then unplugging the primary power input or switching off the circuit breaker that supplies primary power to your device. Now open the device by loosening both the top and bottom thumb screws on the right side of the device. Open the hinge door and locate the micro SD card reader on the radio carrier board. Retrieve the OmniSight Radio Firmware micro SD card from its case. Make note of the location of the gold data pins on the back side of the card. Insert the card into the micro SD card reader on the radio carrier board with the pins facing the board. Make sure to push the card all the way into place. It should click. Depending on environmental conditions, wear, and age, you may need to reinsert the SD card multiple times to make a good connection. Now, restore primary power to the device. After a short time, the status indicator LED on the radio carrier board will shine both red and green at the same time, making it appear orange. The LED will blink with several different patterns and colors as it processes the update. A pattern of 4 green blinks indicates that the update is successful. If this pattern does not happen as shown, power down the unit, reinsert the SD card, and repeat until the blinking pattern occurs as shown. Power the device off by removing primary power, then remove the micro SD card. Push the card into the reader and release it, then slide it out of the reader and return it to its case. You will need to use this card again for any other XR50 or crystal ball units that need this update. Make sure to store it in a safe place. Now close the hinge door on the unit, making sure not to pinch the battery cable between the lid and the body of the device. Tighten the thumb screws to secure the lid. Then plug the battery back into the primary board. Restore the primary power and wait for the device to complete its system check. Once the system check is successful, wait for the device to turn on its radio. This will be indicated with a green signal strength light and a red ready to transmit light. Now enable the device with the OmniSight Intelligent key. Once the device is enabled and has completed its radio communication sequence, the upgrade process is complete. Follow the steps in the included instruction manual to ensure that the device is communicating properly and that the upgrade has been successful. If you have any questions or concerns during this process, please call OmniSight Tech Support.